Hi, this is John the Appliance Guy. Today we want to talk about how to pick the perfect dishwasher. Step 1, it's good to look at consumer reports and also other product review websites, Home Depot, Lowe's, Sears, Best Buy, and see what other users think about the dishwashers. Step 2, determine brand preference. The top 11 dishwasher brands are as follows: Bosch, Electrolux, Frigidaire, GE, Jenn-Air, Kenmore, KitchenAid, LG, Maytag, Samsung, and Whirlpool. Step 3, determine your cabinet cutout size. Your standard size cabinet should be around 24 inches wide, 34 inches high, and 24 inches in depth. There's also an American Disability size, or ADA dishwasher, if you have a little bit less height to work with. It would be more like 24 inches wide, 32.5 minimum height, 24 inches in depth. There's also a compact model measuring only 18 inches in width, about 24 to 25 in depth, and about 32.5 adjustable to 34 or 35 high. Fourth step, you want to determine what style of dishwasher you prefer. There's a portable dishwasher that can hook up to a sink. There's a built-in dishwasher with front controls. There's also built-in dishwashers with hidden controls. Step 5, you want to figure out what color you want. White, black, stainless steel, bisque, which is kind of an off-white color, or a panel ready to match the cabinets you already have. Step 6, determine the acceptable noise levels. Lower decibels equals quieter. It's interesting to note that the human ear can detect a change of 3 decibels or more. Anything less than that is not very noticeable. Step 7. Do you want a stainless steel interior or a plastic interior? The stainless steel interior will give you better drying performance and will last longer, but it does require more cleaning. The plastic will come at a lower price point with a similar wash performance, but you will lose a little bit of your drying performance. Step 8. What cycles do you use? Some of the common cycles are the smart wash cycle, the pots and pans or heavy duty cycle, the normal wash cycle, your shorter 1-hour wash, the quick rinse, or the light, China or gentle cycle. Step 9. Determine what food disposal type you prefer. There are 2 kinds. The first is filter-based, which is more energy efficient, it's quieter, and is more simple with less to go wrong. The second is a food disposer-based model that actually has a food chopper system down below, similar to the garbage disposal in your sink. Some of the other cool features to look for are the third rack or the culinary racks available in the Bosch and KitchenAid dishwashers. Also look for the spray jets in the back of the dishwashers, in Whirlpool, which is called Power Scour, and in Kenmore called Turbo Zone. Kenmore also has a cool technology called 360 Wash for better wash performance. Step 10, find the lowest price, the best service, and buy your dishwasher. Thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and comment below. Thank you.